Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi there. I am Rugini, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and click the red button down below. Today I will be trying out some viral TikTok life hacks. I have seen a lot of these, and some of them look very interesting and unique. So I was intrigued into trying some of these out and see if they work. And so yes, let's just get right on with it. Also, I forgot to mention, if you guys haven't seen my previous video yet where I tried out some viral TikTok food hack, click it down somewhere here so you can go ahead and watch that video, because some of them really worked and I'm pretty sure you guys will love these. So go ahead and check that out, and if you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And yes, let's just get on with the video. So you guys, the first life hack is here. I'm gonna play it somewhere here so you guys can watch it, and I'll be watching it too, and we'll see what it is. So let's just get started with it. Okay, so there's a woman. She's got a pair of loose trousers. You put your legs through one of them, and then you take the other pair and then you put it through your neck, and then voila, you have a trousers that you can wear as a dress. So yeah, I think it's a pretty unique concept, so I think we should try it out. So yes, yeah. So you guys, I have a pair of trousers. Coincidentally, these look the same as the one in the video. So yeah, it's a good thing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try this out and see if it works. So yeah, this is what you do, and then you basically turn this around. Then you just basically put this through your head, and you should be able to basically wear this as a dress. So yeah, let's try it out. So you guys, this is it. It kind of works. So the hack is a thumbs up already, just because it kind of works. So you can put it on like this, and it does work. It's just slightly tight. It's uncomfortable to obviously wear it out, but other than that, it does work. So yeah, I'd give it a thumbs up. And so you guys should try this. Hello you guys, so now moving on to the next hack, which is an easy hack to making popcorn. Isn't that so fantastic? So let's check it out now. It's an easy hack, so all you need is a straightener and some corn, and then basically you just use the straightener to make some popcorn like this. Oh! Did you see that? That's how easy it is to make some popcorn. That's it. So let's go ahead and make that. Let's see if it works. I've got some corn here. So let's try this out. Obviously, be careful when you do this. Put some gloves on just in case. So I'm just gonna... Okay, no popcorn still, but we'll wait a couple of more minutes. Okay, I think I can see it burning a little bit. Oh, cooking. I think I can smell some corn. My hand hurts. It's been more than 5 minutes now, but there's still no sign of popcorn, so I'm still just gonna keep waiting. Later. You have to work. You have to work. Ah! Did you see that? It worked. It just didn't pop properly. It just didn't like pop into a proper popcorn. I think I need to try another one. It just didn't pop properly, but it kind of worked. I think I'm gonna try another one. Let's try another one. Yay! Whoa! Yay! It worked. it's just not fluffy, because I think I pressed it too hard. Like, it's really hard, so it's not fluffy. But yeah, I just ate that. Well, it was hard work. I mean, it's a fun thing to do, to try out, but you just have to really like press your straightener really hard for it to pop. This hack does work, so give it a thumbs up. And yes, let's move on to our next hack. Okay, you guys, so now we're moving on to our third hack for this video, which is somewhere here. So let's check it out. So all you need is a towel, some soap, and some water. You mix the soap and the water together, and then you pour it on a towel, and then basically you blow into it, and you're making some bubbles. So yeah, I'm pretty intrigued into trying this out. If it works, oh my god, I'm gonna be so happy. It looks so cool. So let's try this out now. So here I have a clean towel, and I've got some soap. I've just got some washing up liquid and some water mixed together. And so yeah, I'm just gonna pour it down. I don't know how much I need to pour down, but I think that's enough. So now I'm gonna try to blow it and see if it works. Did it work? Yeah. That works! Damn! That works. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna try to make bigger and like longer bubbles. So this hack, it worked. It was pretty fun and interesting to do, except I kind of inhaled the washing up liquid, so my nose is a bit funny right now. But other than that, I'll give it a thumbs up. It works. It's a fun activity to do with kids and stuff. So yes, it was a good hack, except just use a more comfortable soap, I guess. And yes, let's move on to the next one now. The next hack is to do with shoes. I cannot find the video that I saw on TikTok, but I remember how it was done, so I'm just gonna walk you guys through it and see if this hack works. So basically the hack is you need some shoes, dirty shoes, some Colgate, and a toothbrush. So let's just go and try this out. Here is my shoe. Got some Colgate. So I'm just gonna take some out because I don't want to ruin the Colgate by putting on my shoes. Okay. And I think all you do is just scrub the dirty parts. So I think that's the whole point of this. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep cleaning it, scrubbing it, and see if it makes any difference to my shoe. So I'm not sure if I spot a difference, but I am gonna continue scrubbing it for 1 more minute and then we'll see. Do you guys see any difference? The brown dirty bit here is still there. Maybe I need to leave it on for a couple of hours, but I definitely see a difference in this part. This part is still a bit brownish. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave the Colgate on for about an hour or two and then see if it has made a difference, and at the end of the video I'll let you guys know if it's worked. And so in the meanwhile, we'll move on to the next hack. So yes, I'll see you guys. So this is the hack that is, if it works, it's going to be super helpful. So let's take a look and we'll see if it works. Yeah. So my camera died, so now we're filming on my phone. So this hack seems pretty simple, but it kind of seems a bit tricky at the same time. But basically, you can tie your shoelaces in 1 second. So we'll see if this hack works. So tie a loose knot firstly, and then pick your laces up like that. And then twist it like that and twist it this way, and then pull it this way and put this 1 second. That worked. Okay guys, so it takes a couple of tries, and You just basically need to learn the technique and the way to do it, obviously, but you just try it a couple of times, and then once you pick it up, it's easy. So take the shoelaces, do one knot like that, then hold your laces like that, then using this hand, your left hand, go like this. Basically you should have this, and then this hand you need to go like that, and you should have it this way. So basically you're doing two opposite loops, and then you basically put this thumb through here, hold that there, and then using the back two fingers, and then basically you just pull it together, and there we go. Okay guys, that was such a cool hack. It took me a couple of minutes to learn it, but afterwards it was a good hack. It works, and yeah, I think I really liked it. You guys should try that as well. And yes, so now we're going back to the cleaning shoe hack with toothpaste. So I've left it for like 10 to 15 minutes now, and I'm just gonna like take a wipe and wipe it down to see if it's made any difference at all. So here we go. Dun ta da. Okay. Yeah, I think it works. It's definitely much more clean. As you guys can see, it's much more brighter and lighter compared to how it was before. So yeah, I think if you leave it on for a couple of more hours, it should clean your shoes like as if you just bought brand new shoes. So you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed these life hacks, and if you guys try any of these out and if they work, give this video a thumbs up. I will definitely try the shoelace hack when I'm in a rush. I think it's really cool, and it keeps your shoelaces really tightly tied. The popcorn hack, however, is long, so don't waste your time trying that out. If you guys would like to follow me on any of my social medias, here is my handle, so follow me on that, and I shall see you guys in my next video.